He's peristalsing out.
When are they gonna peel his skin?
His head's gonna split
I don't know,
open,
how
so-
does he wrap that silk around his body?
With his mouth.
His mouth. But how does he get it around his back? Oh, look, 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 look. At the back, it's splitting. Look. Look at the back. It's splitting. Look.
Oh.
Okay, so this is.
Do you see it?
Yeah, and he's shedding his skin. Okay, wait.
That is so cool. Oh my god, that is so amazing.
Oh my god. It's our first blood.
You can hear the sound, eh? Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear that?
There goes his skin.
That is so cool.
I'm gonna catch his skin.
Okay.
I'll get
Look at
his.
he's wet inside, eh?
Yeah, it's splitting. Don't touch him.
I want to get his skin.
You can catch the skin, but don't touch him, okay?
I won't. How is
It's
this
like trying to wriggle yourself out of a sleeping bag. That is so cool. Without hands.
How do you get the skin off then? He's trying to wriggle off the skin.
Mm-hmm.
He's wriggling us. Might drop.
Saying, get it off me.
That's how you take his clothes off, Leah. Then he's gonna split out of those clothes and turn into a.
Butterfly.
Don't touch him.
I'm not.
He's really like trying to dance it off.
How long is this video gonna
This
take?
is so amazing.
With my hand too. When is the skin gonna fall?
This guy chrysalised way earlier than this guy did. Because he was already, he did that big purge like a day before this guy.
There goes the skin.
Oh, there,
Oh, there.
he did it.
He fell.
Oh,
Now
look.
he's
No.
He doesn't
gonna
know it.
Dance. He's done dancing.
He's
And
still
just
So now
gonna-
he's gotta touch his body more. Oh, look at the silk went up a bit.
Hey, Mom.
And he's gonna
This
rest.
is his skin.
Cool.
Here.
Cool.
He's done. See? He's just gonna find this comfy place to rest to turn into a.
Butterfly for the whole year. Almost for the whole year.